Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to install mods on Minecraft. Now all you need to do is you need to open a Google tab. Now what you need to do is you need to make sure that you're typing Minecraft Forge. It is kind of like a thing in order to install your mods. Now there's going to be a skip button top right when you open the Minecraft Forge, and it is a ad. You can press skip and it downloads Forge for you. Now you need to open it in a Java file. If you don't open a Java file, you can open it in WinRAR. So you need to make sure that you open it in a normal Java file. You're gonna press your setup, finish your installments, etc. And then when you get into your Minecraft, rather than seeing the latest section, you're gonna see Minecraft Forge. Okay? So if I show you right now, Minecraft with Forge. Sorry, I accidentally typed one launch. Now if I go through pictures, you're gonna see there are pictures of Minecraft Forge. This is a normal picture with the latest release, but if I scroll a little bit down, there's a picture of Minecraft Forge. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.